I think this country is a very patriarchal country to begin with, and I think uh, there's not enough education to go around na para we can catch up with the rest of the world already. That women are not that women are not items. We're not something that you can own and just use at your will. So we have to understand na may sarili kaming puso, isip. You have no right to say that in public. I mean, I can understand what you're saying na some people get flattered to know na pinagpapantasyahan sila. But, I mean, do you think I don't have fantasies? I wouldn't tell you though. I mean, these are the kinds of things that you keep to yourself out of respect for another human being. But, I mean, if you have the feeling that you can say it out loud, maybe you're not viewing them as another human being. So ayun, I hope that all of the good fathers out there can raise their sons to understand how to respect women as equals, as partners, and not as something that you own.
Laura, ano take mo, Laura?